Alright guys, and welcome back to another video. We've got another bike on the table for dismantle today. We've got a 1998 Honda CBR1000f. Classic, very classic Honda bike. Let's have a quick walk around. This one's done 58,000 Ks. This one's still on cold start. A little bit of damage. Some vibrations down there. Hold those brackets still, that'll stop vibrating, but this one is going to be dismantled in the coming days. Sorry guys, this one will be dismantled in the coming days. All parts will be available on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. We're always here to help. Have almost 13,000 parts live and ready to be shipped on our website. Head to our eBay store if you have any questions. We're always happy to help. Thanks.